Hello, dear student. I am teaching about stack. This comes under CC3 paper. This is honors paper. Its name is data structure. This is the syllabus of stack. Introduction about stack, push and pop operation, and application of stacks regarding prefix, postfix, and infix. First of all, what is stack? Stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which operations are performed. It is also known as LIFO structure, last in, first out. A stack is a list of elements in which elements may be inserted or deleted from only one end, that is called top. The elements are removed from a stack in reverse order of that in which they were inserted onto stack. Stack is also known as LIFO. Following are the operations on stack: push, pop, pick, is empty. Push means insert an element to the stack. Pop means remove an item from stack. Pick or top means return top elements of stack. Is empty means it returns true if stack is empty. Now this is push operation. It means to insert an element into stack. This is stack. And this is pop. There is a special pointer that top that indicates the elements. This is top. Two error messages with stack, that is stack overflow and stack underflow. Overflow means when you add new elements beyond its maximum size. And underflow means to remove elements when stack is empty. Application of stack. Following are the applications. Evaluate postfix expression, convert infix to postfix, parenthesis balancing in compiler, depth first search traversal of graph, recursive application. Infix means when operator lies between two operands is infix. Prefix, when operator preceded by two operands. Postfix, when operators are after the operands, that is postfix. How to evaluate postfix expression? This question 2, 10 plus 9, 6 minus slash. First push 2, again push 10. Then there is operator plus. When operator comes, it reacts on two elements. 10 plus 2, that is 12. Again push 9, 6. After that minus comes. Minus, when minus comes, 9 minus 6, that returns 3. After that slash, it means 12 is divided by 3, that is 4. And answer is 4. To convert infix to postfix, this is question. A plus B into C minus D divided by E arrow F into G asterisk H. Simple algorithm is there. When operand add to the output, when the operator comes, push onto the stack. A, append to the output, plus push onto the stack. Parenthesis comes, then new stack starts. B, this is operand, add to the output. This is multiply, push onto the stack. C, operand, append to the output. Minus, push onto the stack and pop, multiply asterisk. Why we pop? Because multiply has higher precedence than minus. So minus doesn't lie on above the asterisk. Again parenthesis, in new stack will start. D, append to the output, slash push onto the stack, no problem. E, append to the output, arrow, append to the, push onto the stack. F, append to the output, parenthesis close. It means pop the stack. Arrow sign comes first, then divisor. Asterisk, push onto the stack, no problem because asterisk has higher precedence than minus. G, append to the output. Parenthesis close, pop the stack. First multiply comes, then minus. Asterisk, push onto the stack, no problem because asterisk has higher precedence than plus. Again H comes, append to the output. Parenthesis comes, pop the stack, multiply, asterisk sign, then plus. This is the answer. This is the postfix expression of this infix expression. Now push operation. Push, this is stack, top, max str, item. These are parameters. Stack is an array. Top is a special pointer which indicates the highest position of the element. Max str, maximum capacity of stack, item. This item we have to insert onto the stack. Okay. This procedure pushes an item on a stack. If top is equal to max size, it means top and max size both are same position, then overflow. It means stack is full. Otherwise, increase top by 1 and push element or item in stack. Again, pop operation. Here parameter is stack. It is an array. Top, it indicates the highest position of element, item. In computer, there is a concept of undo. So, we store item before remove it or delete it. If top is equal to 0, it means stack is empty. Then underflow. Otherwise, we keep item, we keep stack top, the element of top into item and simply decrease top is equal to top minus 1. Program, write a menu-driven program to insert an element into a stack, to delete an element from stack and display contents. Insert means push, delete means pop. You know, stdio dot has include stdio.h. This is preprocessor directive. include, this statement tells include stdio.h before processing. This line means include process.h before processing. This means include stdlib.h. Has defined max 5. It means max is equal to 5. Int top is equal to -1. And here we consider top is equal to -1 and stack max means stack 5. Push, this is the prototype of push function, prototype of pop function, and prototype of display function. This is the main function, void main function, int ch. We take it for choice, while 1 means if true, loop insert in this direction, while 0 means if false. Okay. Stack menu, push, pop, and display, print key. Enter your choice between 1 to 4. Ch takes choice of user. This is the simple switch case statement. Switch C begin, case 1, push, break, pop, break, display, exit 0 means terminate, and if the user gives 5, 6 as a choice, then it print wrong choice. Push operation, white push, int value, if top is equal to max -1, printf stack is full. Here we take max -1 because array takes first index from 0. Else element, if top is equal to max -1, stack is full. If it is not full, else take value from user, increase top, and put the value into stack top. Pop operation, if top is equal to -1, it means there is no element. Simply print message, stack is empty. Otherwise, deleted, there is a message, it prints message, deleted item, this, and decrease top is equal to top -1. This is the display function. It displays elements of a stack. If top is equal to -1, it simply displays message, stack is empty. Otherwise, it displays all element from top to 0. When you run, this is the output, stack menu, push, pop, display, exit, 4. There are 4 options. Enter your choice, first choice, enter element to push, 3. Again, push, pop, display, exit, enter your choice, 1, enter element to push, 6. Again, menu will come. Here, user give choice 3. It displays elements of a stack, 6, and before it 3. Output, stack menu, push, pop, display, exit, enter your choice 2. It deleted the element 6. 6. This is the element on top. Display, only one element is there, 3. Again 2, it will delete 3. Again 2, stack is empty. Okay, thank you. If you have any problem, call me on my mobile or WhatsApp, and if you have more problem, I will take class online on Zoom or Google Hangout. Thank you.